with Basha's Coffee and Crafts playlist on Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube channel. I've been out of commission for the past 4 to 5 days. I was treating Miss Legacy with influenza A. There's 3 types of flu, A, B, and C you can get. She had A, and then I caught it. So I've been really down and out and not crafting a bit. In fact, I'm not even going to be on camera. You're just going to hear me in the background, and today is January 26th on a Saturday. Well, I purchased this fairy garden because I picked up the 3-section stackable pots, outdoor garden pots, to make the fairy garden out of, and I thought I could buy this for only $16, then it was going to be a good deal. And then I mentioned it online in the Facebook group, and they said, no, you're going to get ripped off. Well, you know me, Polish person I am, I have to see it first before I believe it. Can't tell me anything. I have to learn it my own way, and I have to have scientific proof. So, here's my scientific proof. You're going to open up this box with me today and see if this was worth $16 or should I just purchased it right from the store. So my store is only about 1.5 miles from me. So I can just have them delivered there for free. And I'm in Dollar Tree a lot, so I went and picked it up this morning. They've had it for me for a while because I've been homesick. Now, finally feeling well enough to drive and walking around. Alrighty. This is all for $16. Trying to see how it's packed. Let's open this up. And so we have a flower bench. That's one item. We have a house. 2. We have a stack of crates. 3. Fairy door, $4. 5. So far there's $5 right there. The tulip house, that's cute. A carrot house. Gnomes on a log. Fairy crossing. Wishing well. Okay, those are the biggest pieces. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. I received 19 pieces for $16, and that is a deal to me. So, next time you're in a Facebook group, do not believe what people post. Find out for yourself. Do your own research. Because buying online for $16 was a lot cheaper this way. Now, the only thing that I do not have is the sweets. The sweets, decor that's out right now, and that shows like a garden, and it shows a camper, but they're all decorated in the sweet tooth fairy-like category, like lollipops and candy. So this is your basic like spring summer selection. And I think it's worth it. Not going to build the fairy garden just yet, but this is what I'm going to use, is these stackable containers. I might decorate them first, might paint, prime them, I'm not sure, but I'm going to make this into a fairy garden. My review on these plastic containers is they're not durable enough to be in full sun in the Michigan summer, because I have a feeling they'll fade and they'll crack. I don't recommend them as a fountain either, because I don't think that the water consistency and the chemicals that's in the water, they might start corroding these. These are very thin. These are very slim. In fact, I could cut them with scissors. That's how thin these are. The Dollar Tree traffic cone is a lot thicker than these. But anywho, I'm going to decorate with this box of fairy garden accessories, and then these pots that will stack. And this is how you stack them. Just in case you see them in the store. They stack like that. Alrighty. So this was a quick review, a quick video, and like I said earlier, please don't believe everything you read on Facebook. Don't let it discourage you in any way, shape, or form. If you want to buy something and you think you're getting a deal, then buy it. Because 9 times out of 10, you're right. And now I have this video to fall on. Next time I get critiqued on buying online, and then I'll get ripped off, which I won't. I didn't think I would. I read how many pieces I was going to get. That's why I knew it was going to be 19 pieces for $16, and that's a deal for me. I send my blessings and health wishes out to you and your family. Please, please stay healthy. Find my video on my Easter decor from last year. I'm going to post the decoration idea this year as well, because this is all from Dollar Tree. All the supplies are out, the Jenga blocks, the vase, all the flowers, you know, your color choices, the foam underneath. So watch that DIY video if you're interested in making something like this for Easter or for everyday sentiment, faith, and hope for the family in the future. If I sound like I'm mixing up my languages and my language art skills. It's because I'm heavily medicated too. I've been very, very sick. Alrighty. Everyone says have a good day. Bless.